Good morning. Good morning, good morning.
Bing bong.
Let's start it with a bing bong. It's gonna be a good day. Let's do this. Going good, can't complain. Let's see, 1 second. Let me just get everything set up. Lotto Friday, baby. My favorite day of the week. Hold on. Okay, so for yesterday, let's see. What did I tell you guys to watch yesterday? Oh, so yeah, let's talk about yesterday really quick. So yesterday I told you guys to watch PayPal puts, Microsoft puts, BABA calls, and TTD puts. So I was pretty bearish on the overall market yesterday. I actually don't know what happened to PayPal later in the day. All I know is PayPal went crazy. Yeah, so PayPal went the complete opposite way. Therefore, it never broke the entry. No, you wouldn't be getting into this trade because it never broke. Microsoft never broke or actually Microsoft did fill that gap, but it was in the pre-market. Therefore, again, no trade. However, with BABA yesterday, we might actually trade this again today. I was waiting for the break above. It was the previous day's high? No, the pre-market high, and aim for the previous day's high, and then another price target above that. However, the option chain didn't load in the morning. It didn't load for like the first, 4 or 5 minutes, so I missed the whole move. So I missed BABA, and then TTD, did it go in the right direction? Yes, but the spread was too wide. The contracts were only like $60-something. It had like a $25 spread. So just didn't even trade it. And the moral of the story, you don't need to trade every single day. So what ended up happening is I wasn't going to trade yesterday, but then I came home and I had Tesla up on the screen. Went to the store, came home, came back, and I saw Tesla was in this 5-minute symmetrical triangle getting ready to break out right here. I think it was right here. Yeah. How did I have this drawn? I think it was like this. Yes. Getting ready to break out. And as soon as it broke out, that's when I entered. Caught a very quick scalp on Tesla. So I was able to make my money on Tesla yesterday. So, one and done yesterday. Can't really complain about it. As for today, let's make a list. Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Make sure to click that subscribe button. That would also mean the absolute world to me. Tesla is squeezing on the 1 hour time frame. Beautiful. All right, baby, let's do this. So, as you guys can tell by the title, memes meet Lotto Friday. So, what does that mean? AMC. Let's see. Actually, AMC even double bottomed yesterday too. Wow, that would have been perfect. Anyways, what is that? 20, 24, 44. We will put it on the list for now. Let's see, AMC. Yesterday I only bought I only bought 3 Tesla contracts just because it was later in the day. Usually I go maybe like 5 to 10, depending on what day of the week it is. GameStop interested above 160. Take it to 175. Then there's just a few others. McDonald's. That broke all-time highs. Hold on. There we go. Can we day trade GameStop? Or not GameStop. McDonald's? No, we cannot. And then there was news about Ford and GM. If you guys want to watch Ford, you can watch it over 25.10. Like I said, I don't like trading Ford. It's too cheap. I would have to buy way too many contracts to even profit from. Let's see, GM. Keep that on the list for now. And then I feel like there was one other thing that had news I wanted to look at. Oh yeah, Qualcomm. Qualcomm had news. I don't really do debit spreads too much. Qualcomm is squeezing really hard though. Be interested above there. The daily squeeze still going too. Qualcomm. Alright. Flip through the priority week. Apple. Not interested. AMD, I'd be interested in some puts. AMD puts. Boeing calls above 212.5. Let's see. I think I saw Bank of America hit new all-time highs in the pre-market. Yeah, it did. One thing that you guys need to know is the market is going to continue going down until the banks chill out. Keep an alert over here. Costco. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Not interested in Costco at all. Why is this beeping? Oh. Banks are running and making new all-time highs. It's sector rotation. PayPal is still in that range. Wait for the breakout. I think Jimmy was here. He was here 2 days ago. Hopefully Jimmy is okay. Let's see, Roku. Baidu. Insane.
Bing bang.
Somebody said it in the chat. I had to. Alright, so Tesla. Now the day trade stocks. Crap, hold on. There we go. Affirm. Finally filled that gap yesterday, came back up. We already looked at AMD. I know I saw the doji. We looked at Boeing, that's on the list. Let's see, good old Baba. breaking out of that 4-hour bull flag, and she gone. 132, or maybe a bounce at 127.61. Ba-ba. Let's see, coin. Not too interested. Can watch Facebook both ways. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 66 likes and 152 people in here. Not even half of you have clicked that like button. This is insane. Make sure y'all are clicking it. Yeah, we get non-farm payrolls in what is it? 11 minutes. That Lucid interests me. Let's see, Moderna not interested in. Microsoft. Actually, I want to see something. All right, Microsoft's in that retracement zone. I haven't even looked at the NASDAQ. I'm assuming they look very similar. The NASDAQ's at a very important level. If the NASDAQ closes below the weekly 21 EMA, that is bad. Look, every time it has came back to that weekly 21 since COVID, it has rebounded. 21 EMA is that white line. So, might actually swing some calls, depending on what it does. But right now it's just sitting in the retracement zone. Gotta be careful with this. There we go. Like the video and subscribe. But yeah, Microsoft honestly wouldn't be too interested unless it broke below yesterday's low. So I'm just keeping alert. MU. I could scalp it. It is squeezing. MU. I'll be sure to reach out to Jimmy and tell him that you all miss him. We looked at call comments on the list. Roblox, that would have been a nice put opportunity. see, we got Roku. I'll buy some more SQ today. TTD got a price upgrade. Not too interested. And then UPST. Cool. Got a pretty big list. AMC, GME, GM, Qualcomm, AMD, Boeing, Roku, Baidu, Tesla, Baba, Facebook, Lucid, MU. Look at Amazon for Jimmy. Rip some, it fell below that trend line. I think it's a monthly trend line though. Yeah, it is. That could be bad. About to see what it does. Let's see if any other people in the Discord uploaded a watch list today. Nothing from the elites. What about JMorg? Cool. Alright, let's narrow this list. Did Grizzly put out his watch list? He did. Walmart. He's always got Walmart. GME and then Neo. So we got 5 minutes until payroll. So I don't want to put anything out yet. I want to wait until the payroll comes out, see what happens. In the meantime, instead of twiddling our thumbs waiting for the next 5 minutes, does anybody have questions that they want to ask? Actually, in the next 4 minutes, you got any questions you want to ask? Somebody really charged back for my ebook? Come on now. My boy really charged back on a $20 ebook. My favorite stock for 2022, I believe that SQ and PayPal are extremely underpriced. So, I mean, SQ and PayPal, in my opinion, is one of the most efficient payment processors, and they're just becoming a lot more popular. Let's see, hold on, let me favorite G Fuel flavor. Blue Ice is really good. Sour Chug is really good. Snow Cone's really good. Phase X is really good. I've had probably every single G Fuel flavor. Thoughts on Palantir? So Palantir, it's a long-term stock. It's getting beat right now. I do think, however, you know, speaking 3 to 5 years back, or 3 to 5 years forward, it'll be higher in price. I still trade off of my phone. You know, I am messing around with the what is it, the active trader, just because I like using my little hotkeys that I got now. But like I said, I've been trading off my phone for such a long time that it's just like second nature for me. The new book. So the new book, I am assuming it's going to be done mid-February or late February. So the only thing I'm waiting on right now is I had to reach out to John Carter, who created the TTM squeeze, and then John Pearson or John Person, who made the Person's pivots, because I talk about both of them in the book and I need to get approval from both of them. That way they can't sue me. So fingers crossed that we're aiming for February. Telling you this book is going to be absolutely fire. What do we got? We got 10 seconds. Biden signs first deal to make 500 million free COVID test. Nice. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. Why does it take so long for these numbers to drop? There it is. Okay, non-farm payrolls for December, 199,000 versus 400,000. Jesus. Private payrolls for December, 211 versus 365. Good God. We're savage. Jesus. Anyways. Cool. Well, we about to have fun on the downside today. Puts, baby, puts. All right. Let's narrow this list down. Somebody said Jimmy was in here. Jimmy, you up in here? Let's see. Not AMD, AMC. What's up, Jimmy Jim? Yo, Jimmy, do me a favor, bro, and reach out to me on Instagram. Reach out to me on Instagram. Tell me you're the Jimmy from the YouTube live. Let's see. I'm interested in GameStop above 160. How expensive are these gonna be today? I feel like they're gonna be very stupidly expensive. You thought bad job numbers were bullish. No. Not at all. Bad job numbers equal slowing economy. GME, meme, meat, Lotto Friday. Looking for a break below 160 or break above 160 for a possible continuation. What did I say in the Team Bull live stream last night about the S&P futures? Who was in there that can tell me? The 163, 116, 167.26, 175. After that, it could go crazy. Yeah, I said last night it was in a big old bear flag. Tell me I didn't. Said last night, big old bear flag. Alright, so we got GameStop on the list. I never thought this would happen. Anyways, VIX about to break that bull flag. SPY about to die. Let's see. We'll just keep running. Let's see, GM getting pulled. We'll come back to that. Qualcomm. Dead. I just keep an alert. I wanted the AMD puts. Hopefully it didn't break. And it's sitting on it. Really not a whole lot blocking it. Alright, let's see what AMD can do. Boeing still looks relatively strong. We want to rip some VIX lottos. That might be another thing to do. Scalp some $20 calls. That's a possibility. Where were we at? We were at Boeing. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 250 people in here and 147 likes. Means 100 of you have not clicked that like button, so make sure you guys are doing that. And I guarantee you, not all 250 of you are subscribed to the channel. So make sure that you guys are clicking that like button as well. Be greatly appreciated. We're at 14.5k subscribers, 500 more until we're at 15k. It's running up, baby. Honestly, if Roku breaks that 190 level, that is going to be huge. I will be very interested if Roku breaks below. Let's see if the China names held up. Baidu, no. Baba. Baba's holding up relatively nicely. It's a possibility. Tesla. Come back to Tesla. Facebook broke the level, of course. Take Facebook off. Take MU off. $46.62. That's gonna be a major level. Let's see. I'm gonna trade Uncle Spy levels today, more than likely. So we can watch VIX above that level if it chills. Honestly, SPY puts below 46.62 is probably going to be the wave. Same thing with QQQ. If the NASDAQ falls below this level right here, let's go back to the top of the list. Let's see. I kind of still like that GM. It's squeezing, it's got the light blue, it's holding the moving averages. Looks good on the daily. We're gonna see. We're gonna come back to this. See what Qualcomm's up to. Alright, we can take Qualcomm off. AMD. Alright, I want AMD to relax. That will probably find its way to the list. No Boeing. Take that off. Yeah, Roku could see a pretty hefty drop. Let's see. Roku, if the market continues to be weak and pull, see what happens below 190, double bottom as of recently, and the only level holding it up below there can see 182. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything. $185.44. $182.1. $176.55. Alright, so we got Roku puts. We got 266 people in here. I highly doubt that all of you are subscribed. I need you guys to click that subscribe button. For every subscriber we get, we will get one Bing Bong. If you guys don't know what the Bing Bong is, Bing Bong. This is Bing Bong. Every subscriber we get one Bing Bong. It is now initiation to join the YouTube family. Must click that subscribe, and once you get a Bing Bong, you are good. Let's see, Baidu. Honestly, I might look for a bounce on Baidu. We'll see with that one. That Baba. Baba's still holding nicely. Whoops, this one. Baba's a hard maybe. Take Lucid off. Are you guys subscribing? If you are already subscribed, unsubscribed, and then subscribed again, it's not gonna do it. Gotta be a new subscriber. Let's see. We got GME. And Roku. And the VIX. This is going to be a really important level right here. All right, let's run through the list one more time. See what we can get. GM. I told you, as long as the banks continue to go up, market's coming down. All right, let's get Baba on the list. Oh, went straight to it. Nice. Baba looking for a break above 132 or a possible push. Price target equal 133.85, 136. That option chain better load today. Okay, so I got 5 more names that I'm going to be looking at, you know, closer to the market open. But as of now, let's see. We got GME just being, you know, a degenerate with that news coming out, so maybe GME. Then you can also watch the VIX over 19.7. Scalp some 0 DTE. Roku for puts. Baba for calls. If you want to watch the China names, you can also watch Baidu, because Baidu and Baba are going to move together. So Baidu would be the same thing, just look for the break above pre-market high or a possible bounce at that 1 hour 21 EMA. I just prefer Baba. You can also watch that GameStop for a possible break above pre-market highs. It does have that 1 hour squeeze. So that might be something that finds its way onto my list. We'll see. I said watch AMD for possible puts if it breaks below that pre-market low at 135.29, 135.25, around that area. And maybe Tesla might find its way to the list. We'll see. So yeah, that's gonna be everything I'm gonna be watching today. It's, you know, Lotto Friday, so make sure that you guys are very smart and use proper risk management. I don't want to hear that anybody blew an account by, you just, no, there's no reason you should be blowing an account on a Friday. So use a very small size. It's a Lotto Friday. You can make, you know, 200% in 2 seconds, or you can lose the entire investment in 2 seconds. That's just what Friday brings you. So proper risk management. If you guys did not know, I go live every single Friday or every single day at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time and give you guys a completely free watch list every single day, as well as every single Sunday I give you guys a completely free weekly watch list. So make sure you guys are subscribed, and then I upload educational videos almost every single day. Other than that, everybody enjoy your Friday, everybody stay safe, and I will talk to everybody on Monday. Peace out.